Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our exercise 8.2. So in our exercise 8.2 we have to learn about the percentage. So if a term is given and we have to convert it into percentage, then we multiply it with 100. Suppose we have to convert 2/5 into percentage. So this is also written as percentage, or you will write percentage. So if we have to convert, then we multiply this by 100%, and you will obtain the percentage to be 5 on the 5, 520 the 100, 20 into 20, 20 into 2 is 40, 40% is your required answer. So these are the type of questions we solved in this exercise. So our question number 1 is convert the given fraction numbers into percentage. So first part is 1 by 8. In order to convert 1 by 8 into percentage, we multiply it by 100%. So on solving, it divide with 450. On again on the table of 2, you will obtain 25 upon 2. You will obtain 25 upon 2%, or if you further solve it, you will obtain 12.5%. That is your required answer. Second part is your 5 upon 4. So you have to convert 5 upon 4 into percentage. So 5 upon 4 multiply by 100. So 4 1 the 4, 425. The 25 into 5 is 125%. So this is your required answer. Suppose we have to do one another part. Suppose this is your last part, D part, that is 2 upon 7. You have to convert into percentage, so you multiply it by 100%. So you will obtain 200 upon 7. If you convert it into mixed fraction, then you will convert this into mixed fraction. How you convert it? Divide 200 with 7, 7 to the 14, you will obtain 60. So 7 8 the 56, you will obtain remainder to be, sorry, this is 56, you will obtain remainder to be 4. So the denominator is written as it is, this 7 is written as it is, and this quotient is written in this here, that is 28, and remainder is written in the numerator, remainder is your 4. So this is the required percentage. So next question is convert the given decimal fraction into percentage. You have to convert this into percentage. So the number of digits after this point will be the number of zeros in denominator. So first part is 0.65. So पॉइंट तो बाद कितने डिजिट है, पॉइंट तो बाद 2 डिजिट है. सो 65 के नीचे क्या लगेगी, 2 zeros लगेगी 1 और. So percentage convert कर ली, we have to multiply this by 100. So 100 will cancel and you will obtain 65% is your required answer. Second part is your 2.1. So you will write how many digits are after this point. There is 1 digit. So if you remove this point, you will obtain 1 zeros in denominator. So multiply by 100. This 0 will cancel and you will obtain 210% is your required answer. If you solve this 0.00 third part, 0.02. So how many digits are there after this decimal? There are 2 digits, so there is 2 zeros in the denominator. Multiply by 100%. 100 will cancel and you will obtain 2% as required answer. Last part is your fourth part, that is 12.35. So how many decimal digits are there? So there are 2 decimal digits. So 100 will be divided with this and 100 will be multiplied to convert it into percentage. This 100 will cancel and you will obtain 1235 20% as answer. So next question is estimate which part of the figure is colored and what is the percentage of colored part. So we have to estimate which part is colored. So this part is colored, so make similar part as that of this. You will have 4 parts similar to the colored part. So colored part can be written as, how many parts are colored? That is 1 divided by total. Total is 1 2 3 4. So total part is 4. Out of 4, 1 part is colored. In order to convert it into percent, we have to convert it into percentage. You will multiply. So percentage of colored part, you have to multiply it with 100. So 4 1 the 4, 4 25 the 100. So 25% is your required answer. So how many colored part is this in this? So here the colored part, how many colored part are there? 1 2 3. 3 colored part. Total parts are 5. So 3 upon 5 is your colored part. In order to convert it into percentage, you will multiply this by 100. So 5 on the 5, 5 20 the 100, 20 into 3 is 60% is your required answer. In next part, how many colored part are there? 1 2 3. 3 colored part. Total part are 4 5 6 7 8. So 3 upon 8 is your colored part, and in order to convert into percentage, you will multiply it by 100. So on multiplying, you will obtain 3 upon 8 multiplied by 100. So it will cancel on the table of 4. 4 to the 8, 4 25 the 25 into 3 is 75. 75 upon 2%, or you will say 37.5% is your required answer. So next part we will do in our next videos.